Hi everyone, my name is Benjamin To from M2D. So today I am very happy to be back here again to showcase to you one of our recently completed 3-bedroom apartment located in Upper Aljunied Road. This unit is about 93 square meters and the goal was simple: to create a calm, spacious home that feels open and cohesive without wasting a single square meter. So what we did was, we worked into a dumbbell layout, a design move that completely changed how this home feels and functions. So without further ado, let me show you how we did it. When you first enter the home, what you will notice is how uninterrupted the space feels. In a typical 4-room BTO, the entrance corridor tends to feel narrow and segmented. So here, we streamline the carpentry and storage so that the entry doesn't feel like a holding zone. It gently transitions you straight into the heart of the home. So the finishes and colors were kept warm and neutral to make the entire space feel more seamless and connected to the rest of the home. The most important change in this home is the dumbbell layout. Instead of clustering all the bedrooms on one side, we reorganized the plan so private rooms sit on both ends of the home, with the living, dining and kitchen forming a central shared zone. This does a few key things. First, it creates a much larger and more open communal area, which is ideal for hosting, everyday living and entertaining guests. Second, it gives a clearer separation between private and shared spaces, making the home feel more intentional and less cramped. So that being said, this layout isn't for everyone. For couples with younger children, having bedrooms further apart may not be ideal, as it places the kids' room further away from the parents' bedroom. But for homeowners who prioritize openness, hosting and privacy, especially couples or families with older kids, the dumbbell layout works beautifully. So the kitchen was redesigned to make the entire space feel less enclosed and more social. We introduced a peninsular counter which acts as a visual anchor between the kitchen and dining area. It is very practical for daily use, such as your meal preparation as well as having a quick breakfast. But it also works well when guests are over. The cabinetry is kept soft and understated, paired with light stone surfaces to maintain a clean and timeless look. Under cabinet lighting adds warmth in the evenings and help define the space without making it feel heavy. The living area sits right in the center of the dumbbell layout, and that is intentional. Because there are no major visual obstructions, the space feels wider than a typical BTO living room. We kept the furniture low profile and opted for curved forms to soften the overall geometry of the space. Full height curtains were introduced and it runs across the windows, diffusing daylight during the day and creating a cozy, hotel-like ambience at night. Everything here is designed to feel calm, uncluttered and easy to live in. The main bedroom is positioned on one end of the home, away from the main living area. We kept the palette warm and minimal, using integrated lighting and clean carpentry lines to make the whole space feel restful rather than overly designed. So on the opposite end of the living room stands the secondary bedroom. It can be functioned as a guest room, workspace or even future family rooms if required. For the bathrooms, we were mindful of keeping the renovation budget friendly. So instead of hacking extensively, we retained the original HDB wall tiles and overlay them onto the floor. This creates a seamless and cohesive look while keeping costs under control. The vanities and cabinetries were designed to keep the place clean and functional, with storage tucked away to maintain a clutter-free feel. So it is a very simple, practical approach that balances aesthetics and longevity. So that is the home, a standard 4-room BTO transformed through a dumbbell layout. By rethinking the floor plan, we were able to create better flow, stronger privacy, and a living space that feels calm, open, and intentional. If you enjoyed this walkthrough, give the video a like, drop us a comment, and subscribe for more home tours like this. See you in the next one. See ya!